It's hot, it's breezy. Let's get to work. Ooh, it's been a day, I tell you. At least it's cooled down and we didn't have a crazy storm like yesterday, but I'm sure you can see that there's a lot more here than was previously yesterday. Why don't we take a tour of what is what before the light is gone and the sun is down. Okay, so still got a bunch of panels here that need to go. It's so pretty. They're gonna go in this hallway here. Also, look, we got the big Z, Zombo's coffin from Zombo's House of Horror Movies, and the Frankenstein tilt table. Cool. This will be the third room, or first if someone is needing ADA access. This is the room where they will enter. Ta-da! This is probably the largest room, like just a rectangle room that we've ever done. It's not finished being shored up. Still gonna have some more, but I want to use the biggest ones for the octagonal upside down room. Got lots of fun surprises in here. Actor door. That's gonna be the second one. Well, out of the rooms that are over here, this is the second one. Another doorway. Going through. That's our original actor door. It's an actual functioning door, and I thought it would be hilarious to paint it like it's just a fake door. Drop panel. And then this is where we have ended for the day, because as you can see, I am literally, again, building right up to the support wood. I know. It's terrible habit. We'll do better next year, but this year it's kind of all over. So this is what we got done today. And this room is almost finished, and then it'll be the greenhouse right here, and boop, done. Except for the stuff over in the hallway over there. But looking great. I'm so excited it's almost done. And then you know what? Lights, covers, decor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a weekend, it's a build time. We got tons and tons of volunteers to help out. Moving all this crap out of the way. Don't hurt yourself. Again, didn't do too much of a time lapse. Yeah, sorry for that noise. It's the neighbor's AC unit over there. We're prepping for a storm. Can't see much there, but if you look that way, that's where the clouds are. So we are prepping this area to be able to build in it. There's the panels. We're just waiting for this to blow over, literally, because it's hard to putting up panels when it's windy. And again, today mostly just moving stuff around. Super duper hot. So doing the best we can with what we got. Still got lots of volunteers helping out, which is such a blessing. Don't even know. Got the brick out. Put these up. Starting to look pretty nice in here. Probably gonna paint that right there to match it. Hello.
Hello there.
Because I think the black with the brick, like right there, looks pretty cool. Obviously, I know that doesn't fit the shape. Don't worry, it'll be for something. You'll see. And then those are pretty warped, so I'm hoping that they'll flatten a little bit in the breeze. Hi! There's the storm brewing.
We hope they see us sweeping a rat.
Yes. Still adorable. You? Get the dog.
You suck too. Oh, you.
You hit her with it.
We love the four-legged fur child.
Survival. Don't kill him, please. Yeah, you didn't kill him.
Not bad of a shot, Dave.
No, not that.
Zippy, Zippy. Go get it.
Over
Right
there.
there. Good girl.
Oh, look at you.
Are you
I
tired?
think she's tuckered out.
Here. Do you want a real toss?
You're gonna toss just as bad as me. It's not worse. I got yoinked. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Hold on, she's coming back. Good girl.
Where'd she go? Oh, that's her hole. Oh, you hit the greenhouse. I thought you hit our greenhouse for a minute because it sounds the exact same.
Oh, she's done. She's not even bringing it back.
Spider, don't you laugh at me.
I'm sorry.
Yes. Fun with the haunt mascot.